Hi, I'm Anush Aghinyan, and today we are going to solve a few problems I have as my homework. These are the tables we're going to work with, and these are the problems we need to solve. So let's jump right into the first problem, which sounds like this. Get the list of all employees and display only their first and last names. Order them by alphabetical order of their full name. Use string concatenation to display the full name as first name plus some space plus last name. So obviously we're going to work with employees table. We need to select their last name and first name. So let's do that. Let me write problem 1. Select. Let's concat it right here. First name, some space, and the last name. These will concate first name and last name and add a little space between them. Also, we need to add as full name. So SQL will create a new column, full name, consisting of first name and last name of employees. We need to mention that we need to select it from employees table, naturally, and order by full name. So when we say order by and choose a column, SQL automatically orders it alphabetically using that column. So this is all we need to do. We just can make it prettier and run it. And we'll get the list of all employees and their full names. This was the problem 1. Now let's do problem 2. Problem 2 sounds like this. Get the order number of orders that have more than 10 different items in them, which are canceled or on hold. So for this problem, we're going to use 2 tables, order details table and orders table. We need product code from order details table, and we need status and order numbers from orders. But as order details has also order number in it, we can join these tables and use them both in our problem. So we're going to select order number. By doing this, we're showing that we need order number from orders table, and we also need status, and we don't need to write from which table we need orders, because we need status because status is only in one table. From orders and order details. These are the tables we're working with in this problem. And now we are writing this to join the tables. Order details, order number. We'll have one more condition, that the status must be on hold, or status must be canceled. And so let me check the grammar. Cancel, yeah. Now we need to group this, group by order number. How many little mistakes I'm doing all the time. And having count product code more than 10, because in the problem we had condition that said get the order number of orders that have more than 10 different items. So we need to more than 10. We can make this here and run the problem, and we'll get order numbers of that orders. Let's That was problem 2. Okay, so now let's do problem 3, which sounds like this. Select all the columns of the customers that have no orders at all. Solve this problem by using not in keyword. Okay, let's do this. I have never thought how hard it is to make a tutorial video. Okay, so select all, because the problem says select all the columns of the customers. So select all from customers where customer number not in, so not in keyword filters the result, and it's going to choose, it's going to show us everything that's not in the part, that's not in the thing we're going to write in the brackets. So in the brackets we're writing select distinct, and distinct is a keyword that chooses unique values, so there won't be anything that repeats itself. Customer number from orders, and by saying that we mean this customer number. So basically this code says, as the problem wants us to select all the columns of customers that have no orders at all. By doing that, we're saying that select all the customer numbers that do not have a value in orders. So we'll make this here and we'll run the code and get the list of such customers that didn't make any orders. This was problem 3. I had to change the room I'm making this video in, but it's fine. I took that time to add comments to the problems we have already solved.